Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from an Android device to Samsung Galaxy M35. You need to begin by opening Play Store on both devices and getting this free app called Send Anywhere. When it's ready, launch it. Now click on the same options in both apps to set them up. Firstly, I agree and I acknowledge. Then confirm. Continue. And allow. In this window though about new updates, you can tap on Not Now or close it right away by hitting OK. Either way, when you're ready, tap on your device's displays and then select Send at the bottom left corner of an Android. Now Receive right next to Send at the bottom of Samsung. Also on an Android, using all of those categories at the top, you can select multiple files to transfer. I will go with only a couple just for example. When you finished, hit Send next to Selected at the bottom. Tap on Got It in Here's Some Tip pop-up and decide which connection way will be better for you. If you wish to connect by inputting this key, just click on Input Key section. Type in all of those numbers in correct order before they expire. And click Receive button. If you prefer to scan this QR code, click on the scanning icon above User Guide. Close and add. Allow camera access in the pop-up and point your Samsung's camera at the code. Following that, just wait. As you can see, after that, all of my files were successfully sent. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!